Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how to add music to your Instagram post. So as we know, we can't save Instagram story with music to gallery, otherwise it would be very simple to share them as a post in the feed. Okay, so let's check out how we can do that. So in this video we are not going to use any third-party app. We'll do all editing inside the Instagram app only. So let's go to the story camera. So you can take a picture, or you can make a video, or you can browse a picture or video from your device. So for now let's browse a picture or video from the gallery. Let's browse a picture. Okay, let's choose this picture. Okay, now let's remove this background. So as you know, Instagram story post and feed both support different resolution. Story support 9:16 aspect ratio, where feed support 1:1 square, and portrait 4:5, or landscape 16:9 aspect ratio. So we have to edit keeping all this thing in mind. So we are going to skip 16:9 horizontal post, because for that we are going to need a third party app. So we will not be going to do this 16:9 one. Okay, so for 1:1 square, adjust your photo to cover half of the screen, like I'm doing. And for 4:5 portrait, adjust your picture to 2/3 of your screen. You have to do like this. So once you are done, on the top you can see the sticker button. Tap there, then you will see music. Tap there, choose a music. Sorry, because of copyright I can't play the music here. Okay, so once our music is selected, just adjust your sticker position. You can choose the lyrics also if you want. So for now I'm choosing this sticker. So once you are done, you can send it to your story. I suggest to send it to your close friend, and you can send it to yourself in close friend. Okay, let's go. It's posting. Okay, so once your story is posted, on the bottom right corner you can see these 3 vertical dots. Tap there, and you can see share as post. Tap there. So our post is here. Let's make it to 3:4 portrait. Okay, now hit next. Tap on trim, just drag it down. So as you can see, we can see this 3:4 portrait video with music. Sorry, I can't play the music because of the copyright, but the music is playing. So once you are done with your editing, you can hit next. You can give your caption and you can send it to your story. Likewise, for the square 1:1, you have to adjust your picture to the half of your screen in your story. And once you are done, hit the more button, then you can share as a post. Okay, hit the next button. Now hit the trim button. Now just drag it and position it, and we are done. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can add music to your Instagram post. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.